Magandang araw mga ka-apple of my eyes! It's your Momshi Apple again and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is cooking vlog and I will show you how to make Graham de Leche or Graham Leche Flan. But this Leche Flan is jelly flan, so stay tuned and watch my video until the end. Thank you so much. So, I started already, and first thing na ginawa ko ay yung all-purpose cream ay nilagay ko sa fridge for overnight, or you can put it in the freezer for 3 hours para maging firm siya or maging floppy siya pagka blender natin. Okay? And after that, ay iset aside muna natin at i-prepare natin yung ating mga paglalagyan or ang mga container na paglalagyan natin ng ating Graham de Leche. You can use this microwavable plastic container or the glass one. And then first na inilagay ko ay yung all-purpose cream na blender ko, and then I put the Graham powder, or you can use also any kind of biscuit that you can make it powder, or kailangan mo lang siyang durugin na mabuti hanggang sa maging powder siya, and then you put on the top of the cream. And the other option is, first you can put the Graham cracker or the powder biscuit, and then the all-purpose cream, and then you put again the Graham crackers or Graham powder. So it's up to you how many layers do you want to make. And then after you put the Graham powder or Graham crackers, i-flatten natin siya at takpan natin, and then we will put in the fridge. The next thing na gagawin natin ay ang jelly flan. First ay mag-measure tayo ng 3 to 4 cups of water. Not cold or not warm, it's normal water. And 1 sachet of Mr. Gulaman unflavored yellow powder. Just put it directly into the water and add half cup of white sugar. Just mix it well until the powder and the sugar are melted. And then, we will set it aside. The next one na gagawin naman natin ay yung Leche Flan. We only need 3 pieces of medium eggs. So this one I used 3 pieces whole eggs, but you can also use only the egg yolks, but must be 6 pieces egg yolks, and then 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk, and then put 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. Ayan, ihalo lang natin mabuti, and then we will put the jelly mixture. After we mix all together, we will cook it into medium high or medium fire. Ewan. Dapat talaga mag-English eh. Hala, sige, push mo pa. Mamshi apple. At dahil umuusok na siya, ay kailangan nating patayin yung apoy para hindi siya kumulo, okay? You don't need to boil. Kapag alam mong umuusok na, ay stop mo na, bes. Baka mamaya ay maging parang maha blanca yan. Nasa sobrang lapot. And then, all we need to do is strain it. Okay? Para maging soft siya. O walang mga buo-buo. Ganun. Yan. Nakikita nyo po yung mga yan. Ganon. Para matanggal siya. Alrighty. Habang tayo ay nag-strain at sa mga bago po dyan na nanonood ngayon or to those who are watching right now and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button there and the bell icon as well so you're always updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. And then, right after ay ilabas na natin yung mga nilagay natin sa fridge na mga Graham crackers na ating chinil. Okay? At ilagay na natin agad-agad yung jelly flan. Baka tumigas na siya sa kasirola, besiwap. So, we will put it immediately. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi mahukay. Or, what do you call this? Para hindi ma-deform yung inilagay mong Graham cracker or Graham powder, diba? Kasi kapag inilagay mo yan ng biglaan, parang mabubutas siya, ganun. So, dahan-dahan lang. Okay? Siyempre, kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video o ang aking cooking vlog, please, bigyan mo naman ako ng isang thumbs up dyan, mga kamamshi. Maraming salamat. At mag-comment ka na rin para masaya, diba? Mag-comment ka naman kung ano yung mga gusto mong iluto ko pa next time para yun naman ang aking ma-film. After nating nailagay lahat yung mga jelly flan, ay syempre, kung nagmamadali ka na ngang inilagay yon, of course, may pressure yan. May mga bubbles yan. Para maging maganda yan tignan at makinis pa rin siya, although may mga bubbles, ay kailangan mong tusok-tusukin ng stick yung mga bubbles niya para mag-flat siya or mawala yung mga bubbles niya. Ganon. Dahil tapos mo na siyang tusok-tusukin at habang hinihintay natin siyang tumigas, okay, or maging firm, ay may isa pa tayong gagawin. Yung caramel, okay? We need 1 cup of white sugar. And then, syempre, paano matutunaw yan kung hindi mo siya lulusawin sa apoy, di ba? Joke. Ayan, kailangan nating lusawin sa apoy ng mahina lamang para hindi siya masunog or hanggang sa matunaw na matunaw ang mga asukal na yan. At yan, dahil mainit na siya, ay kailangan mong kontrolin ang iyong init. Yan, mali. Nasa asukal pala tayo. Kailangan mong patayin yung apoy bago siya mag-amoy sunog kasi kailangan mong lagyan yan later ng cornstarch na may tubig. Okay? Hindi mo siya pwedeng ilagay ng caramel lang na hindi mo lalagyan ng tubig na may cornstarch. Bakit? Kasi later on, pag lumamig yung caramel, ay titigas siya. At hindi na natin siya i-steam, okay? Ilalagay natin siya sa ibabaw. At para maging clear or maging mukhang caramel pa rin siya, kailangan mong lagyan ng cornstarch na may tubig. Hindi mo rin pwedeng ilagay directly yung cornstarch. Okay? Ayan, dahil maganda na yung kanyang pagkakamelt at pinalamig ko muna ng kaunti. Baka naman kasi naman umuusok pa yan. Kailangan nating i-divide yan sa 6 para lahat ay malagyan. Ganun. So, dahil patapos na po ang aking vlog, I would like to say thank you so much to all my teams who are always there supporting me and giving me a chance to collab to other teams, especially to Sir Noside of Bicolanas Angels 1 and to Humble Bicolanas 2, to Zay Esfuera, our Madam, and to Madam Novaan of Team Pirates, to Team BRR, to Manang Edit, and to Team Dreamers, Risha Ching, and sorry kung hindi ko po kayo lahat ma-mention. But I appreciate you all guys and thank you so much. God bless you all. So until then, see you soon on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. I love you all. Mama. Chup chup.